Good morning, students. Today we will start a new topic, trial and error theory. Trial and error theory is given by Edward Lee Thorndike. In this theory, trial and error theory is based on the fundamental theory of problem solving. It is a continuous efforts of a human being in order to achieve a goal despite the errors he makes. Here the human reaches a point where he experts the skill or subject after all the effort and errors. मीन्स जब भी हम कोई भी काम करते हैं तो उसमें जनरली मतलब इन डेली लाइफ ऑल्सो बहुत सारे एरर्स आते हैं जिनके बाद ही हम क्या करते हैं कि अपने जो एंड पॉइंट पे पहुंच पाते हैं. ठीक है, पहले बहुत सारे ट्राई करते हैं. उन ट्राई में ज़रूरी नहीं कि सीधा ही हम लोग अपने फाइनल पॉइंट पे अपने रिजल्ट्स पे पहुंच जाएं, लेकिन पहले क्या होगा कि हमें उन एरर्स के बाद ट्राई करने के बाद आफ्टर सो मैनी ट्राई वी मतलब अपना जो रिज़ल्ट है वो ढूंढ पाते हैं. ठीक है, सही रिज़ल्ट में. Here the it is a continuous effort of a human being in order to achieve goal despite the errors he makes. Here the human reach a point where he expert the skill or subject after all the efforts and errors. ट्रायल एंड एरर थ्योरी पे जो एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ था, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग उस पर बात करेंगे. Experiment, there was an experiment conducted by Edward Lee Thorndike on this theory. He is also as the initiator of the theory. In the experiment, there was a cat that was caged, and there was fish kept out of the same cage. The lash had to be manipulated in order to open the cage. At first, the cat made random movements to open the cage and get food. Food being the goal here, motivated the cat to open the cage and get it. The cat making these random movements accidentally opened the cage, okay, and got the fish. Cat was put in the cage again and again, and each time opening the cage was easier. Then there came a point where the cat was able to open the cage in one go, okay, and got her food after so many trials, after so many errors. ठीक है, वो एक ऐसा पॉइंट आया जिस पे क्या है कि उसने अपना जो कैट है कि फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट में ही अपना फूड क्या है पा लिया. ठीक है, thus cat's continuous efforts ended in success. It learned to open the cage. Thorndike gives based on this theory, Thorndike gives 3 laws of learning. First है law of readiness, law of effect and law of exercise. Law of readiness. What is law of readiness? Law of readiness states that one can only learn when they are ready to do so. Okay, when we are ready to learn, उसके बाद ही हम सीख पाते हैं. मीन्स अगर आप लोग किसी काम को लेके है तो है कि आप लोग मतलब आपको ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना कि आप लोगों को जस्ट काम दे दिया तो आप काम करने लग जाते हो. अगर आप रेडी नहीं हो वो काम करने के लिए, आप वो काम नहीं करते. ठीक है ना. ऑल्सो इट इज़ द डिग्री ऑफ प्रिपेयर्डनेस. yes, we can use preparedness and eagerness to learn. Okay, for instance, children under the age of 5 are not allowed admission in school because their mind is not developed enough to learn the subject in school, because they are not ready, their mind is not developed. So हम लोग क्या है कि उनको स्कूल में नहीं भेजते. ठीक है, मीन्स क्या है लॉ ऑफ रेडीनेस, मीन्स के we can only learn when we are ready to do so. Okay, teacher should make the atmosphere good enough for the students to learn. law of effect. Next one is law of effect. After law of readiness, the next one is law of effect. Law of effect is said to be taken place when the learner derives joy and satisfaction from it. Okay. When we are satisfied from anything, then we can learn easily and effectively. आप लोगों को पता ही होगा, ठीक है ना. In case the learner is dissatisfied, he will stop making efforts to learn. If you are not interested in that, or you never face good effect of any learning, है ना. Learning is strengthened when associated with the pleasant feeling, and if weakness when there is dissatisfaction. The teacher has to create an atmosphere where the learner either gets satisfaction by himself or is provided the same. Okay. And the last one is law of exercise. Law of exercise is directly associated with law of effect. Law of exercise is strengthening of learning through continuous efforts. If the effect generated is good, then exercising the learning will be easier. And if the results are not pleasant, then the learning will be affected. Okay. This law emphasizes the need of repetition. Okay. You people got it? Means learn when we try hard, when we try so many, when we give so many attempts, when we learn many times effectively and with readiness, with good efforts, then we can learn easily. Okay. After so many tries in our life, also after so many tries, after so many errors, we will and we can reach on our goal. Okay. Now you are I think सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा. Okay. Thank you. This was trial and error theory.